Selecting a rug is one of the most important decisions you can make when designing a room. This is the piece that can ground the space and transform the whole look. However, different rooms in the house can require different rugs. I'm going to give you some general tips that can help you choose the right rug for your space. When choosing a rug for the bedroom, you first need to consider the bed size. Typically, a king would use a 9x12, while a queen would use an 8x10. Then you need to think about the type of texture that you want. Most people want something soft and luxurious to walk on when getting in and out of bed, so silks and viscose and wools make great materials to pick from. When selecting a rug for the dining room, your table shape will play a big part. For a square or rectangle table, you would want to do a rectangle rug. For an oval or round table, you could pick between a circle or a rectangle rug, depending on the shape of your dining room. To choose the proper rug size, a good rule of thumb is to make sure your table and chairs can be entirely on the rug when extended out, no matter the shape of the rug. When it comes to the material of the rug, polyesters, wool, and synthetics can be forgiving with kids and pets. For the living room, you will choose your rug based on the layout of your furniture. The rug is meant to join all of your furniture together, so you need to place at least the front legs of all your pieces on the rug. To achieve a more luxurious look, put all of your furniture entirely on the rug to show the outer border. Since living rooms are mainly a high-traffic area in the home, this room is an ideal space to add in rug layers. Mixing textures and tones is a great way to elevate the overall look.